Hi students, good morning. Today we discuss the periodicity and some problems. Periodic function. Periodicity. So in trigonometry class 16 we have discussed complete theory on extreme values and periodicity. Once you go through this class 16 in trigonometry, the previous videos. Trigonometry 16, the previous videos, extreme values, I gave the complete proof and periodic functions, complete theory on this 16th that video class. Periodicity. What is the periodic function? If f of x is a function, then there exists a least positive real number t such that f of x plus t is equal to f of x. Then the least positive real number t is called period of the function f of x. Okay, now f of x is equal to sin x. Now f of 2 pi plus x is equal to sin of this is 2 pi plus x, which is equal to sin x, that is equal to f of x. So f of x plus 2 pi is equal to f of x. Then the least positive real number t is called the period of the function f of x, where f of x is sin x. So period of sin x is what? 2 pi. Similarly, cos x. If you take f of x is equal to cos x. Now, f of 2 pi plus x. F of 2 pi plus x is also is equal to, this is cos of 2 pi plus x. This is equal to what? Cos x. Cos x. Therefore, that is f of x plus 2 pi is equal to f of x. Therefore, the period of cos x is also 2 pi. If you take f of x is equal to tan x. Now, this is f of x plus pi is equal to, this is the tan of x plus pi, which is equal to tan x. Tan of pi plus x, third quadrant, tan is positive, which is tan x. Therefore, this is equal to f of x. So, f of x plus pi is equal to f of x. Therefore, the period of tan x is pi. Next, if f of x is a periodic function with period t, then f of ax plus b is also a periodic function with the period t by mod a. F of x is a periodic function with the period t, then f of ax plus b is also a periodic function with the period t by mod a. Suppose f of x is equal to sin 3x plus 4. Now the period of sin of 3x plus 4. What is the period of sin x is what? Period of sin x is 2 pi. Period of sin x is 2 pi. Now the period of this is what? 2 pi by where a is 3. A is 3. So this is the periodic function. F of x is a function, then there exists a least positive real number t such that f of x plus t is equal to f of x. Then t is called period of the function f of x. Okay, if f of x is a periodic function with period t, then f of ax plus b is also a periodic function with the period t by mod a. So once I repeat, in the class 16, trigonometry class 16, once you see this trigonometry class 16 class compulsory before starting this periodicity and extreme values. So in this one, I give the complete theory about extreme values as well as periodic function information on this 16th class. Okay. Next one. Suppose if f of x is equal to a into f1 of x plus b into f2 of x. b into f2 of x. So this period is, the period of this function is t1 and the period is t2. That is f1 of x is a periodic function with period t1, f2 of x is a periodic function with period t2. Then f of x, the period is what? LCM of t1 comma t2. So the period of the function, period of f of x is equal to, call it t, is equal to LCM of t1 comma t2. That is t is the period of this function, or observe that some cases the submultiple of t is the period of the function. Suppose if you take f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. Now what is the period of this? 2 pi. And what is the period of this? 2 pi. Now what is the period? LCM of 2 pi comma 2 pi. That is equal to 2 pi itself is the period. Suppose if you take f of x is equal to mod sin x plus mod cos x. Okay. What is the period of mod sin x is what? Pi. Period of mod cos x is also pi. Now what is LCM of pi comma pi? Is pi, but pi is not the period. It is submultiple of pi. That means what? What about f of pi by 2 plus x equal to what? Mod of sin of pi by 2 plus x plus mod of cos of pi by 2 plus x. So this is equal to mod of, this is cos x, and this is plus cos of pi by 2 plus x is minus sin x, but you can put mod of, that is equal to what? Mod cos x plus mod of sin x, which is equal to f of x. Therefore f of pi by 2 plus x equal to what? F of x. Here what is the period is what? Pi by 2 is the period. Pi by 2 is the period. So sin x period is mod sin x period pi, mod cos x period is pi, but the function f of x equal to mod sin x plus mod cos x period is what? Pi by 2. That means I gave the complete theory in the class 16. Pi itself is the period. In some cases, submultiple of pi, that is pi by 2 is the period. So period. Next one. Here this is the function and it is period. Sin x period 2 pi, cos x 2 pi, tan x pi, cot x is also pi, secant x is also 2 pi, cosecant x is 2 pi. Now if f of, that is sin of ax plus b, period is 2 pi by mod a, and cos of ax plus b 2 pi by mod a, and tan of ax plus b pi by mod a. Now mod sin x, mod cos x, mod tan x. So, okay, tan x period is clearly it is pi. So what is the period of these functions? Pi. Sin power nx, cos power nx. Period is, this is pi if n is even, and this is, and 2 pi if n is odd. 2 pi n is odd. If you take, for example, f of x is equal to sin square x. So what is f of pi plus x is equal to sin of pi plus x whole square. That equal to sin of pi plus x is third quadrant sin negative minus sin x whole square. That is equal to sin square x. That is equal to f of x. So what is the period is what? Pi. Suppose if n is odd, what about period is what? Same as 2 pi. N is odd, period is 2 pi. And mod sin x plus mod cos x. What is the period is what? Pi by 2. First one, find the period of the function tan of x plus 2x plus 3x plus and so on nx. Period of the function. Tan of this is x is taken common 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on up to n into x. So this is the tan of sum of first n natural numbers. That means what? Sigma n. So this is n into n plus 1 by 2 of x. Now what is the period of tan x is? Period of tan of ax plus b is equal to pi by mod a. Now what is the period is here? Period. So this whole thing is a. So okay, pi by a. A means what? This is n into n plus 1 by 2. Period. Which is equal to, so this is a 2 pi by n into n plus 1. That is a period. Next one, the period of the function, period of this is cos of 1, that is x plus 2x plus 3x plus and so on nx is period. So what is the period of cos function? Cos x period is what? 2 pi. Period of cos of ax plus b is 2 pi by mod a. So this is cos of x is taken common 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on n of x. This is equal to cos of the whole thing is sigma n into n plus 1 by 2 of x. Now what is the period is equal to 2 pi by mod a, where a is n into n plus 1 by 2. That is equal to 4 pi by n into n plus 1. See here, cos x period is 2 pi. Cos of ax plus b period is 2 pi by mod a. So this is cos of ax plus b form. Cos of ax plus b form. 2 pi by mod a, where a is n into n plus 1 by 2, which is 4 pi by n into n plus 1. That is the period. Next one, period of the function tan of x plus 4x plus 9x square plus and so on, not 9x, and this is 16x plus and so on n square of x is period. This is the tan of, if you take x is taking common 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 and so on n square of x. So this is the tan of 1 square. 1 can be written as 1 square, 4 can be written as 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square and so on n square of x. Okay, this is the sum of the squares of first and natural numbers. So this is the tan of sum of the squares of first and natural numbers, sigma n square. What about sigma n square? Equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So this is sigma n square. What about sigma n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. And sigma n cube is equal to what? N cube means sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers is equal to n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. So these are 3 points. I think all of you know about this. Now sigma n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 into x. Now this is the tan of ax form. The whole thing is treated as j, tan ax. What is the period is what? Pi by period is equal to pi by mod a, where a is the whole thing is a. That is equal to pi by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. That is equal to 6 pi by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. So that is the period of the function. Next one, the period of the function cos of x plus x by 3 plus x by 3 square plus and so on is period of the function. So this is cos of, if you take x is taken common, 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 square and so on up to infinity of x. So by observing that these are in GP, geometric progression, because the common difference ratio is what? 1 by 3 by 1, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 square by 1 by 3, which is 1 by 3. So they are in GP. So here A plus AR plus AR square and so on up to infinity. What is S infinity form? A by 1 minus R, where the common ratio is lies between, that is mod or less than 1. S infinity A by 1 minus R. Now here, what is A is equal to 1. What is common ratio? 1 by 3 by 1, that is 1 by 3. Therefore, what is S infinity form? A by 1 minus R, that is equal to 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3, A by 1 minus R, that is equal to 1 by, so this is 2 by 3, that is 3 by 2. Therefore, this is cos of, the whole thing is what? 3x by 2. Okay, the whole thing is completely, this is 2 by 3, that is equal to what? Cos of this is 3 by 2, 3 by 2 into x, 3x by 2. Now you know the period of cos x is 2 pi, period of cos x. Cos of ax plus b period is 2 pi by mod a. So this is a. So period is equal to 2 pi by mod a. This is the formula. 2 pi by, where a is 3 by 2. That is equal to 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3 is the period. Next one, f of x is equal to 3 sin cube x minus 2 cos cube x. Period. Period of this function. What is the period of n is odd? Period is 2 pi. N is odd. Period is 2 pi. Therefore, the period is LCM of these two. That is equal to 2 pi. LCM of 2 pi and 2 pi. That is 2 pi. That is period. Next one, the period of the function sin x into sin of 60 minus x into sin of 60 degrees plus x, period equal to. So this is equal to 1 by 4 into sin 3x. By simplification, in the yesterday class also we discussed about this one. So 1 by 4 into sin 3x. Okay. Now what is the period of sine function? Period of sine is 2 pi. Period of sine of ax plus b is 2 pi by mod a. That is 2 pi by, where a is what? 3. 2 pi by 3. That is the period of the function. Next one, find the sine function whose period is 6. Whose period is 6. So sine function, let the function is f of x, the function is sine of ax plus b. Sine of x plus b, there is a chance for maybe, if possibility is there. Okay, what is the period of this function? What is the period? Period is equal to, so this is 2 pi by mod a is equal to given 6. Given. Okay, so this is what 3 terms gets cancelled. Therefore pi by mod a is equal to, what is pi by mod a equal to? 3. Therefore 3 into mod a is equal to pi. Mod a is equal to 3 pi. A is equal to plus or minus 3 pi. A is plus or minus 3 pi. Now the function is f of x equal to, so this is a sine of plus or minus 3 pi plus some constant 3 pi ax plus b plus c, maybe some constant, if you are, this is also correct, into x. So this is what sine of 3 pi x is correct. Sine of this is minus 3 pi x is also correct, and the sine of this is 3 pi x plus some constant k, this is also correct, because its period is what? 2 pi by mod a. That is, so 2 pi by, so this is what? Pi by, sorry, this is pi by 3. This is pi by 3. So this is pi by 3. Pi by 3 of x. So this is pi by 3. So okay, sine of pi by 3. What is the period of this function? This function 2 pi by mod a, where a is pi by 3, mod of, that is equal to 6. For this also 6, for this also 6. So anyone, all are correct. And also there is a chance pi by 3 plus some constant plus k, that is also correct. next one, the period of the function of 2 sin 2x minus 5 cos 2x by 7 cos x minus 8 sin x period. What is sin 2x period is what? Period of sin 2x. Sin 2x is 2 pi by mod a, that equal to 2 pi by 2, that is pi. Period of cos 2x is also 2 pi by 2, that is pi. Period of cos x is 2 pi. Period of sin x is 2 pi. Therefore, period of the given function is equal to LCM of pi comma 2 pi, that is pi. Period is pi. Now, the period of sin of x plus CA by cos x period. This sin of a plus b, by expanding sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So this is the formula: sin x cos a plus cos x sin a by cos x. So this is sin x into cos a by cos x plus cos x into sin a by cos x. Cos x cancel. So this is tan x into, this is cos a plus sin a. Here sin a and cos a are only constants. So this is not a function of x. This is constant, this is constant, tan x. What is the period of this one? Period of tan x is pi. Therefore, the period of the total function is pi is the period. Next one, the period of the function of, so this is the tan of 1 cube x plus 2 cube x plus 3 cube x plus and so on n cube x period. In this one, tan of, if you take x is taken common, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on n cube of x. Okay, this is sigma n cube. Tan of sigma n cube is what? N square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 of x. Now this is tan of ax form. Now what is the period of tan of ax plus ax or ax plus b period is what? Pi by mod a. That is pi by, where a is, this is a. N square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. That is 4 pi by n square into n plus 1 whole square. So that is the period. Next one. The tan function, tan means tangent. Tan simply can write, tangent can be written as simply tan, tangent function. Function whose period, whose period is 2 by 3 is. Let the function f of x is equal to tan of ax. Tan ax or tan ax plus b or tan of ax plus b plus some constant c, anyone, tan ax. What is the period is what? Pi by mod a is equal to given 2 by 3. So cross multiplication, 2 mod a is equal to 3 pi. Mod a is equal to 3 pi by 2. A is equal to plus or minus 3 pi by 2. Therefore, the function f of x is equal to tan of ax plus or minus 3 pi by 2. Okay. So that is the into x. But that is equal to, that is depends on 3 pi by 2 into x. So its period is what? This. If you take minus also, that is the correct answer. Tan of 2 pi by 3 pi by 2 x, that is the period function. Next one. Find the period of the function find the period of 3 into sine of x by 2 plus 4 into cos of x by 2 period. So what is the period of this? 2 pi by mod a. That is period is what? 2 pi by, where a is 1 by 2. That is 4 pi period. And what is the period of this function? Same, 2 pi by mod a, where a is 1 by 2. That equal to 4 pi. Therefore, that period of the given function is what? LCM of 4 pi, 4 pi, 4 pi. That is 4 pi is the period. Next one. period of 3 sin power 4x plus 4 cos power 4x period. See, the period of the function sin power nx is pi if n is even. N is even. And the period of sin power nx is 2 pi if n is odd. That is the period. So what about n? Even. So what is the period is what? Pi. What is n? Even. So this is 4. Period is pi. Therefore the period of the given function is what? Period. That is pi. LCM of pi comma pi, which is pi. That is the period of the function. Okay. So these are the periodic function properties. Just remember that. Once again I repeat. Trigonometry 16, class 16. So that is periodicity and extreme values. Periodicity and extreme values is complete theory is there. Just once you go through this class 16 trigonometry. Okay, and we have to do the problems in periodic functions as well as extreme values. Okay, thank you.